Alright, today I'm going to teach you how to edit on Canva. So step one, you're going to want to do it here. It's a really easy way, obviously. Just click the on button right there, the on button. Then, it's on your computer, log in. Then, after you logged in, then you're going to want to go to your Google Chrome. So your next step is you want to go into Chrome, Canva. Then you want to select whatever presentation type of document that you want to choose. So I'm going to go with presentation. And once you enter, you can do your next step, which is choose your templates or layout. And choose whatever you want. So I can say, give me all rainbow colors. So I'm going to do, they give me fire. So I'm going to choose, I'm going to choose one of the templates. Or you can go up here to the color wheel and choose whatever color you want. So I'm going to try this. Your next step, you can go to your elements and search up anything as well, like the designs and all that. You can do that. Or you can choose this. You can do this. You can do a lot of things with it. Your next step, you can go to text, add text. Go to text. And you can make your own text, you can position it around, you can change the size of it. And now you can choose, you can upload photos, and you can upload file. You can upload file, and you can choose whatever you want. I can put this in, and it will upload, and it will add it to your collection. You can rotate it, flip it, anything you want. You can also draw, and you can make your own little things you want. You can choose your projects from here, your previous ones. You can go to apps. You can use AI. You can generate stuff with your AI. And then, let's say I were to want to select this one. I'm just going to replace it. And if I want to send it to somewhere, I click share, download, PDF, download. It'll download up there, and your download is completed. And now you have it as a download.
Cadence Smith Director hope you learned how to do the basics of Canva. Music, minute timer, lo-fi relax.